Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by naming what's happening: low energy, foggy focus, or shrinking motivation, and that clarity matters. Once named, commit to tiny, structured actions, 10-15-minute check-ins each morning where you set one doable task. Make sure to tell one trusted colleague or your manager a single concrete support need, like a deadline buffer. This reduces isolation and creates immediate latitude. These small wins reset your brain chemistry and give you leverage to keep moving without overwhelming yourself. Once you have momentum, structure your day to protect it. Use task chunking like 25/5 or 50/10 cycles and limit yourself to 1 to 3 meaningful goals per day so you don't deplete willpower. Make sure to renegotiate deadlines and delegate or decline non-essential work. This preserves capacity. Integrate micro-recovery practices: 5-minute walks, diaphragmatic breaths, drink water, and brief daylight exposure to restore focus. Over weeks, this predictable rhythm rebuilds energy and shows measurable progress, reinforcing the new pattern. To finish the cycle, schedule a weekly review where you list wins and tweak goals down by 10 to 20% if they feel steep. If symptoms worsen or you notice persistent functional decline, escalate. Contact employee assistance, human resources, or a mental health professional without delay. If things go very wrong, enact an emergency plan, pause work, notify your supervisor, and use sick leave or a short medical break. That safety net preserves your job and gives you time to recover with professional support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.